So we're gonna find a spot to pull into to show you this active park assist. It's actually a setting here in the vehicle. So I will show you. Down here next to the emergency lights, there is this button. It's got the P between two lines. And activating that will pull up this screen, and it is your active park assist. So you will press that, and it will give you your different scenarios on how you would park. So a parallel park scenario, backing into a spot, which is what we are going to do, and then it will let you actually use this feature to pull you out of a spot. So we're gonna back in, and it's going to scan. It tells you to use your turn signal, and it's going to scan and find a spot. We're gonna find a different one, so we're gonna keep going. And it says space found. So once you're here, if you'll notice, my foot here is off of the gas, off of the brake, hands off of the steering wheel. And so it is going to actually park this car for me just by holding the button. You'll shift into neutral, release brake, and hold this park button. And it does get a little close for comfort, but it is intelligently parking this vehicle entirely on its own. All I am doing is holding this button down here. And it'll even center itself on its own. So pretty wild to see it steer and navigate all on its own here. And it'll tell you that it's finished. So pretty wild to have a vehicle that completely parks itself with you literally doing nothing but holding a button.